That's the last male of a species singing for a female who will never come.
That bird was a kawaiʻō, a bird that went extinct due to human activity. Due to habitat destruction and invasive species, the kawaiʻō have now vanished. There's also the ohauʻō, which became extinct from the same reason. The o'os are from a group of birds called the honey-eaters. The honey-eaters of the o'os are called the Hawaiian honey-eaters, which became extinct. O'os and honey-eaters ate stuff like berries and nectar. They also ate insects. Kawaiʻō became extinct from some invasive species such as cats, rats, and mosquitoes. The kawaiʻō also became extinct of deforestation and lack of food. The kawaiʻō became extinct in 1987. Rest in peace, little bird.